Hi there. So the other day, a friend of mine sent me an email and told me, Douglas, do you remember how to make mother of pearl cream, 100% natural mother of pearl cream? And I told him, yeah, of course. And I said, maybe this is the moment to start a new video that does explain this process in a very easy manner. So there's the commercial way to produce mother of pearl cream, and the artisanal way to do it. So it's very simple. The only thing you need is a mother of pearl shell. So you grab this shell, and you have to make sure this is a shell you don't want. Okay, you're not going to use it for display purposes, or it's not a specimen of sorts for a museum or anything like that. So it's just a shell, a plain old shell you have. It can be from an abalone, a mother of pearl oyster, a rainbow lip pearl oyster. It can be from pearly mussel. It doesn't matter as long as it has mother of pearl shell. So once you have this shell, what you're going to do is you're required to very easy to find ingredients such as lemon and vinegar. So with vinegar, I recommend you use a variety of vinegar that is not colorful and not pungent, doesn't have much smell or taste to it. So forget about balsamic vinegar. I'd recommend apple cider vinegar or any other variety that you have lying around there in your house. Even rice vinegar for sushi, that's good. So the only thing you have to do is apply it. When? I recommend personally in the morning, and then by nighttime you will be able to collect your freshly made mother of pearl cream. Okay, so let's see how this is done.
So here we have two shells, and on one we're just going to add some lemon juice, and on the other one, let's say half a spoonful of vinegar. And now we allow for some time, let's say 8 hours.
We have the results, and already you can see that we have been successful in producing mother of pearl cream. So this is the shell with the vinegar, and as you can see, the shell has this white powder. So that's the cream. That's your 100% naturally made mother of pearl cream. So no conservatives, no chemicals, nothing. Just the real deal. Now, it has a faint scent of vinegar. It's just very faint. That's why I rather use lemon, because lemon gives you a faint scent of lemon, which is nicer. Let me show you how the lemon one looks. You can see it has a lot more. Lots more of this cream. Now, I should have used this shell last night, but I left it because I had planned to film this during the morning. So by now, it's a little bit dry. If you ever feel like your mother of pearl cream, it's a little bit dry. And here you can see it's powdery. It's a powder more than anything right now because it dehydrated overnight. This is my recommendation. Just add a drop of water to make it creamy, and then you can apply it. Or some people like glycerin, just a little drop of glycerin to make it kind of oily as well, and apply. And some people even use essential oils, let's say lemon or oregano oil, whatever, and just apply it and put it on top. Okay. Now, my recommendation is never to use it during daytime. Okay, only apply it during night. Why? What's the reason? Because mother of pearl cream has a bleaching capability. So basically, it will help bleach your skin. Now, this is fine if what you're trying to deal with are skin spots, the kind that appear in your hands and when you're older. And this is good also if you have scar tissue, the purplish kind of scar tissue that no one really likes. Well, that will help it become lighter in color. But now if you apply it for acne, which is one of the things some people use mother of pearl cream for acne or for crow marks. Basically, it may bleach your skin. So if you're very white, maybe this is not a concern. But if you have dark skin, then this could be a problem because you will have a lighter colored spot in your skin. So preferably use it at night, in the morning, wash up, especially if it's on your face, okay? If it's in other parts of your body, let's say your knees, your back, and they're not uncovered, well, it doesn't matter when you use it, okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and now you have learned how to prepare your 100% natural mother of pearl cream, and thank you.